Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the TV model and current firmware so you know which update applies. This prevents mismatches. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Aim for over 5 megabits per second because large packages stall on weak links. Next, open the YouTube app and sign into your Google account. That ensures you'll receive the app update and settings sync. If automatic updates are off, enable them now in the app or system. Now navigate to the YouTube app on the TV and select App Info or Update. If an update button appears, start it. The TV will download the package. Once downloading, keep the TV powered and avoid network changes. Interrupted installs can corrupt the app. If no update shows, open the TV's App Store, check the Updates tab, and trigger YouTube there. While installing, monitor progress and let the system optimize. That can take. After the install finishes, restart the TV so new binaries load cleanly. Make sure you then open YouTube to confirm the new version and test playback. If videos stutter or the app crashes, clear the YouTube app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. That often resolves corrupted data. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but back up settings and account info first. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to wired Ethernet temporarily to rule out Wi-Fi as the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.